Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Look no further because this is home, located in the desirable neighborhood of Jacksonville. This fully detached townhouse features 4 bedroom, 5 bathroom, and multiple dedicated spaces for relaxation and recreation. One of the standout features of this townhouse is the indoor pool, which creates a spa-like atmosphere at your doorstep. The hardwood stairs add an elegant touch, while the floor-to-ceiling windows flood the interior with natural light, providing a bright and airy ambiance throughout. This property is conveniently located within close proximity to various amenities such as schools, shopping centers, and recreational facilities. Don't miss out on this opportunity to own this exquisite townhouse in Jacksonville. Guys, let's take a look at this townhouse and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this townhouse is US 975,000 or Jamaican $150 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.